Welcome to the new mural of Mr. Ranjit Dhaya, ace muralist, ace graffiti artist in Bandra, and this is Chapel Road. First, his mural was of Anarkali, and the next one next to Anarkali was Sri Devi, but somebody had gone and repainted a football sequence on it. So now the football sequence is gone, and instead you have these three ladies wearing a mask. These are the three famous divas of Bollywood. You got to name them. You got to name them. They're all, and this is the message of Ranjit Dhaya, that he wants you to wear a mask, do social distancing, and this is the creation of a wall. How art is created, that is the subject today. Ranjit and I are very old friends, but I met him very late. Though my granddaughter was 2 years old, and she has been shooting Ranjit's work on this spot with an Italian photographer, Manuela Nessi. Ranjit does huge murals. He does not do small stuff. I've shot almost all his murals in Bandra. Each and every mural I have shot of his. Ranjit. बाद में ये अलग वीडियो है, अलग वीडियो इधर आ जाइए. So this is the great artist of Bandra. He is the he is the great artist of Bandra. He is a muralist. He is a graffiti artist. He is amazing. And Ranjit is doing this wall. He had done Anarkali years back. रंजीत साहब, बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया. आप यहाँ इतना अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, लोगों का दिल बहला रहे हैं, खुश कर रहे हैं. आपसे ये पूछना है कि इसका इंस्पिरेशन कहाँ से मिला आपको?
इसका सर इंस्पिरेशन बॉलीवुड से ही मिला मेरे को.
ओके.
क्योंकि बॉलीवुड की ग्लैमर क्वीन who started glamour in Bollywood. So I don't want to tell you the name.
Yeah.
But you know, she's very famous.
Okay.
Bollywood actress.
So what he has done, he's projecting Bollywood through his art. That is his team out there. So this is on Chapel Road. Ranjit stays on Chapel Road. He's from Haryana, but he's almost a पक्का मुंबईकर like me. दूसरी चीज़ आपसे ये पूछना है सर, कि आपने मिथुन का भी किया था शिलोंग में. वहाँ का एक्सपीरियंस क्या था?
अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था सर. I painted there, but there was some controversy was happening.
Yeah, I heard about it.
Yeah, why didn't you paint some something from Shillong?
Meghalaya. Then you did something in Ahmedabad.
Yes sir.
What was that?
अहमदाबाद में अभी तक
नहीं, सूरत में थे. कहीं आप गुजरात गए थे?
हाँ, अभी गुजरात गया था एक कमर्शियल प्रोजेक्ट के लिए.
ओके. उधर क्या किया था?
I painted for Tata Sky.
हाँ?
Tata Sky के लिए.
अच्छा.
There was a TV actresses I have to paint in a window.
Okay.
And give them the effect of.
Very good.
Yeah.
So if you guys ever are interested in mural or you want something to be done, you contact Ranjit Dhaya.
Yes.
He is available at Chapel Road. And I wish you all the very best. This is a great friend of mine. उसको बोलेंगे धैया को बेटा. Just take ऐसे. So this is, अरे ऐसे नहीं है.
हाँ ऐसे है.
This?
So this is Ranjit Dhaya. and he thanks all of you all, and yes, blesses all of you all. He's an amazing guy. I love him. I'm not sure whether he loves me or not. But thank you. Thank you, sir. All the best. This mural is made by Mr. Ranjit Dahiya, great wall artist. This mural has a long history. This wall, sorry. First you had Anarkali, about 15 years back. After that, recently, that space was taken over by Messi and his football team mates. And now, once again, Ranjit is getting it done. Over here there was Sri Devi, she is gone. Anarkali is also gone. The theme is 70s Devas, and this is Chapel Road. I just did a short walk. I met Ranjit at Good Luck. Now I'm here. भैया कुछ इसके बारे में बताओ ना,
सब म्यूरल के बारे में.
हाँ.
So
When you started it?
when we started it, it's been 6-7 days.
Okay. It's not yet complete.
No, not yet complete.
Okay. How long? How many days did it take?
Most probably 1 week. Actually, the challenge over here is the was on very raw stage.
Okay.
So we re-managed it with the hands. और basically उसमें रंजीत का वो कहना है कि जब तक आप वॉल को टच नहीं करोगे, जब तक फील नहीं करोगे, जब तक उसको you need to pamper it. So then you can concord with it. So हमारे 4 दिन उसमें चले गए. So yes, and like it's been 5th day that we are painting, sir. Yeah.
Keep it up here. It's an amazing, because Chapel Road, according to me, having been shooting it for so many years, it's the art lane of Bandra. And when I say art, it's also art lane of Bandra.
Yeah.
Thanks a lot. God bless you. Yeah. भैया थोड़ा ऐसा पकड़ लीजिए. So I'm here at Chapel Road in the evening during iftar time. I'm not fasting, and my friend is shooting this video. This is the beauty of Ranjit Dahiya's art. He's an amazing artist, and I wish him the very best. He and his team, they are really, really great. All the best to you all. So this is, it's not yet complete. कितना बोलता है सर? 5 कर दो.
और 35,000 ले ले बेटे। चल तेरा ना मेरा 40। ठीक है ऊपर का दुनिया कितना दिन में मांगे इधर तो नहीं है, इधर आएगा। इधर थोड़ी इधर रहेगा। और ऊपर जाके दिखा डेमोस्ट्रेशन में ऊपर जाके होना चाहिए। हाँ रोलर ले लिया करेगा किससे है? ठीक है चढ़ जा। ये थर्ड वाला कंप्लीट कर दे और थोड़ा आराम आराम से चढ़ भाई। शाबाश बेटा करो। अबे तू दुनिया का बबलू हो गया क्या?
शुभम क्या बोल रहे हैं? शुभम, this girl is very brave यार। Good morning, good evening, friends. I introduce you to the great artist of Bandra, muralist, graffiti artist, wall artist, you call him anything, and he's a tennis court ace player, Mr. Ranjit Dhaya from Haryana, Sonpat.
Yes.
And now he's a Pakka Mumbaikar,
Yes, I'm Mumbai.
very famous Bollywood personality, and he's promoting Bollywood through his art, and he's also promoting a lot of good things through his art. Now, for the first time, he's going to talk about himself. He never talks about himself to anybody, but he likes Feroz Shakir So he's going to tell me. Ranjit Saab,
Yes, sir.
when did this love of painting come in your life?
I think it was from my childhood only.
Yeah.
बचपन से मैं I was very interested in painting.
और किसी ने तो इंस्पायर किया होगा आपको.
Inspired मतलब I saw like old Bollywood films, and when I saw pictures in the magazines, so I always like, oh wow, I want to paint, and I always like draw or a big sheet when I was like in school time.
लेकिन कोई तो आपका एक गुरु होगा.
वो बहुत सारे गुरु हैं मेरे.
अच्छा. बट उनमें से एक गुरु कोई ऐसा नहीं था जिसने आपको मतलब.
हाँ, मेरे जो क्लास के जो टीचर थे,
अच्छा.
नरेश आकाश जी, वो उन्होंने मेरे को हमेशा वो किया.
अच्छा. अब आप एक बात सुनिए. You are son of a farmer.
Yes,
And you're proud of the fact.
of course.
Yeah?
Yes.
But what I would like to tell you, what made you come to Mumbai? It's something you never told anybody.
I came here for a job. नौकरी के लिए आया था, and वो नौकरी में जॉब से पहले मैंने उनके साथ इंटर्नशिप किया था.
Okay.
तो उनको मेरा काम अच्छा लगा, मेरा एटीट्यूड अच्छा लगा, तो उन्होंने मेरे को दोबारा से बुलाया.
Very good.
कम बैक.
Okay.
जब मैं इधर आया तो फिर मैं एक जॉब करता था मैं 1 साल तक. देन आई रियलाइज कि यार सिटी में बॉलीवुड सिटी है, पर बॉलीवुड के नाम पे कुछ है ही नहीं.
सही
लाइक
है.
बॉलीवुड होना चाहिए.
तो फिर आपने ये बॉलीवुड आर्ट प्रोजेक्ट शुरू किया.
देन मैंने 2012 में.
Okay, now I'll tell you another thing.
Yes.
When did you, what was your first work? Was that Anarkali your first work?
No, that was Amitabh Bachchan.
Okay, that Diwar.
You are here only.
Yeah, Baroda Road.
The 10
Yeah,
by 10 car.
that was very good. Excellent it was. After that you did
Then after that I went to France and I painted like a big
Mural.
over there. And then I came back and then I thought, yeah, why don't paint in this city?
But you also went to America and did something in Hansborough or somewhere.
Yeah, I mean I went to Greensboro.
Yeah, Greensboro.
Greensboro,
Yeah.
So I went there. I painted Anarkali.
Yeah, I saw it. Excellent. That was a beautiful. That was a very good thing you did. Now I want to ask you,
Yes.
where did your love for cats come from?
I'm an animal lover. So
Okay.
I love cats. I love dogs. I love every like.
You have about 30 cats.
Yes, I have about 30 cats.
Now another thing I'd like to tell you. What is your message to these new painters, these young artists who want to emulate you, who want to be like you?
I mean, मेहनत करो यार. I mean, want to say कि like you didn't get things like 50 में नहीं मिलता है.
सही है.
उसके लिए you have to keep doing things. मेहनत करो. I mean, अपने आप से झूठ नहीं बोल सकते हो तुम लोग.
मैंने
You can't lie for you from yourself.
मैंने रंजीत साहब
Yes sir.
एक चीज़ आपकी और देखी है कि आपने काफ़ी लोगों को प्रमोट किया है. कैलाश जितने आपके नीचे काम करते थे उनको आपने इंडिपेंडेंस दिया.
Yes, बिल्कुल.
और यू एंड नाउ ऑल्सो all these youngsters working with you, under you, they are really proud to work with you. So what is the magic of your
Magic is like we work. We work with the fun. There is no stress in the team. ये करना है वो करना है. Everybody knows their own work कि हमारे को क्या करने का है. बस उनका थोड़ा सा बस वही. I think that is the.
ना मैं आपको एक और बात बोला. I have been following your career or whatever you call it, your art, your thing. I've been doing it much before I met you.
Yes.
I met you very late in life, but I started shooting you, and my granddaughters were young. I taught them photography, shooting your art.
Oh.
Another thing I tell you, every foreigner photographer that came to visit me,
Yeah.
I would bring him to Anarkali, show him your art. But I didn't know you.
Oh.
I met you at NM,
Yes,
you know,
yes.
when you did that taxi driver.
Taxi driver.
Yeah.
Devanand sir.
Devanand. And then from that time till today, I've been following you,
Yes.
and I've been talking
We are
about
meeting
you.
often also.
Yeah, no, I've been talking about you because people should know the man behind the art. Art is very important, the canvas, the mural, and everything, the tapestry. But there is somebody who creates it.
Yes.
Now, another thing I tell you, how do you come up with your ideas?
Ideas always like it has its own process. Ki like what I want to paint, what is my I always like this street. My idea was to एक श्रृंगार एक खूबसूरती भर देना इस स्ट्रीट के अंदर. That was my idea. So खूबसूरती के लिए then I start choosing the characters. So then Helen was my first choice. मैं काफी सालों से I was waiting to paint Helen. Then this time I got the chance to paint Helen.
And Salim Khan Sahib is my guru, you know that.
Yes. Yeah.
Because he shares his birthday with my granddaughter, November 24th, Marzia.
अच्छा रशिया के साथ
Okay, other thing what I'm telling you is you play very good tennis and everything. You have done a lot of good work on the tennis court. So there's so many things about you that people don't know that today I'm trying to validate through this interview or through this talk with you. Now I would like to ask you another thing. What is your future plans?
Future plans, I mean, I want to spread more Bollywood around the world, not the city. Wherever I get
बट
a
आपसे
chance.
एक बात बोलूंगा सर,
Yes.
आपका सबसे खूबसूरत काम जो किसी ने नहीं देखा है, जो मैंने डाला है नेट पर, वो है आपका गुरुदत्त का.
Yes, yes.
अब आपको मैं गुरुदत्त साहब की बात करूंगा कि गुरुदत्त साहब के 2 बच्चे थे, बेटे थे, एक था अरुण और एक था तरुण.
Okay.
अरुण और तरुण हमारे दोस्त थे
हाँ.
और फिर अरुण और तरुण ने एक पिक्चर बनाई धर्मेंद्र को लेके.
हाँ.
पिक्चर का नाम था खुलेआम
खुलेआम.
और उसमें उन्हीं ने विलेन दिया था डैनी साहब को.
Okay.
तो डैनी साहब के पिक्चर में
हाँ.
डैनी साहब टोपी पहनते थे और नीचे विग था.
Okay.
तो विग उनको परेशान करता था गर्मी के टाइम में. तो बोले यार फिरोज क्या करेंगे. तरुण ने पूछा कि अंकल क्या करेंगे. मैं बोला नहीं एक काम है अपन कर सकते हैं. तो मैंने क्या किया, वो जो विग था ना वो अटैच कर दिया टोपी में.
के साथ ही, हाँ.
हाँ, एंड दैट इज समथिंग. सो व्हेन आई शॉट गुरुदत्त इन योर हाउस
हाँ.
ऑन दैट
Wall.
wall, these are the thoughts that came, and I recently wrote on Twitter about it.
No, of course. I mean, that's why I mean, everybody has their own nostalgia.
Okay,
When
then
I-
another thing I tell you, there is Shashi Kapoor in your house,
Yes, yes.
and Shashi Kapoor's wife,
Yes.
Mrs. Kendall,
Yes, yes.
Jennifer Kendall,
Yeah.
was my guru
Oh, wow.
because I used to do the clothes as a designer,
Yes, yes.
but she was the person that got it executed with through me at Burlington's Taj Mahal. This is 1975.
Wow. 75.
स्मिता पाटिल जी के भी कपड़े मैंने बनाए हैं और राज बब्बर साहब के बहुत बनाए, मैंने बहुत बनाए.
Okay.
तो जब आपने स्मिता पाटिल का भी अपने घर पे डाला ना,
Yes, yes, yes.
तो ये सब यादें आती थी मेरी को.
Of course, sir.
सो यू नो दिस इज व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू टेल यू. एंड नाउ अनदर थिंग आई टेल यू दैट आई फील दैट Bandra can be so drab, but today no, you have changed the look of Bandra, especially Chapel Road. You know, Chapel Road is the art road of Bandra. और कुछ बताइए आप.
I mean, I just like love to paint Bollywood in a Bollywood city, and I really want to paint lots of Bollywood mural around the city and around this chapel.
And I am really curious. Please tell me,
Yes.
how come the art directors in Bollywood have not contacted you? Don't mind me asking
No, no,
you.
sir. I will.
Because you know, your work is so aesthetic. It is not.
नहीं सर, जब जिसकी जरूरत होती है. they
अभी
always
आपसे एक और बात कहूँगा मैं.
हाँ.
ये बड़ी ताज्जुब की बात है कि आशीष शेलर साहब हमारे एमएलए हैं और कुछ स्वच्छ भारत की पेंटिंग्स की थी एसवी रोड पर. वो तो एकदम ही खराब थी. तो मैंने आशीष जी को बोला था, मैंने कहा सर when you are doing some project you should take somebody really good. You don't take second class, third class. Though they are also required.
No, no, of course sir. मैं तो
But-
हमेशा I'm ready to work with BMC या गवर्नमेंट के साथ भी काम कर.
Because today's time, no,
Yes.
today's time I feel with coronavirus, with the pandemic,
Yes, yes.
people will have a stronger message through your art, through your painting, and that is what you're doing here.
Yes, yes. No, no. I was like, I put mask on the paintings to give that message to please wear mask whenever you are out. So because I have to work on the portrait, then I remove the mask and then I again put to give the message to please wear mask. Don't take this.
और रंजीत साहब अभी एक बात आपसे कहना है कि कोई सवाल मैं भूल गया हूँ,
हाँ.
तो आपको कुछ डालना है उसमें, कुछ कहना है कि कुछ मैं भूल गया हूँ.
I just want to say कि stay safe, stay home, and जितना भी अभी कोरोना का जो टाइम चल रहा है उसमें एहतियात बरतो. That's what I want to say. So yeah, I mean stay safe and
उसको
stay
बोला
happy.
जरा,
Yes.
ये हम लोग दोनों का साथ में वीडियो.
Okay. Okay.
Madam, just hold this stick. Yeah, nothing else. Just hold it. No, no. So this is Ranjit Dhaya. This is a 10 minutes video, and he has talked about himself. He normally is very, very quiet person. He doesn't talk. He does not. He's very humble. He doesn't talk about himself. So I'm very happy that he has told everybody about himself. This is the magic of Ranjit Dhaya, the man with the magic hand.
Thank you.
Thank you.
God bless you.
देख गाड़ी है पीछे.
आ जाओ, तुम भी आ जाओ. And this is my friend Hadi, owner of National Bakery, who has come to, who both are great tennis players, and he has come. No, I am very, and they are the adopted children of Mr. Surinder Pawar. Thank you, sir. God bless you all. This is part 2 of Ranjit Dhaiya's video, and this is the work being done. How much did you get that gimbal for? How much you got the gimbal for? Huh? 12,000. I got Moza Mini. No, I have. Come on, damn beautiful. Excellent. है ना? Excellent. ये देखो, ये देखिए. डबल डबल फोटो होगा इनकी. हाँ डबल फोटो होगा. ये वाइट वाइट में दिखाई दे रहा है. कौन सा वाइट वाइट दिखाई दे? पिंक और इसके बीच में आपके पास. हाँ हाँ डिजाइन दिखाई दे. और उधर भी ऊपर वाला भी गलत है वो पिंक. हाँ वो ज़्यादा उड़ गया है. वो कौन सा रहेगा और वो लाइन पे भी नमस्ते रंजीत. This is Ranjit Dhaiya's new mural by Ida Rahman, Helen and Asha Parekh. This is at Chapel Road, very iconic lane. First there was Anarkali here for many years, and then that went away, and there was this new mural of Messi and football. But I think it did not go well with the Bandrais. They wanted something to identify with India. They wanted something to identify with Bollywood. And this is what the Bollywood Art Project is all about. The Bollywood Art Project is a baby of Ranjit Dayya. And he has promoted Bollywood through his murals. He's done murals on Rishi Kapoor, Rajesh Khanna, Amitabh Bachchan, Dilip Kumar, and lot many more. I have been documenting his work for maybe 5 to 7 years now. Though I have been after knowing him, but before knowing him, I had documented his work. I had documented this lane. I have a set on Flickr.com, which is my archives. It's called Painted Walls. There I have showcased all the beautiful murals of Bandra. Kunal? उधर आ जाओ. This is Mr. Ranjit Dayya, the most popular celebrity
Hi friends.
wall artist. Now, I want to tell you something about Ranjit Dayya. I have told a lot of things about him. He has started a project called Bollywood Art Project. That project has like a white fire that propagates the ethnicity, the beauty, and he has touched the heart of Bollywood. And Mr. Dayya, I would like to ask you, what inspired you to do this for Bollywood? Just tell me honestly.
Sir, I think this city inspired me to paint.
And it was not money, but
No sir, not money. Money to money, I put it my own money to paint
okay,
this.
okay,
My first mural I painted from my own pocket.
okay.
Second also, third also. So many murals I painted from my
Yeah, I want people to know.
Yeah.
See, what happens, I'll tell you one thing. I have a camera around my neck.
Yes, yes.
When I go on the road, they think I'm a commercial photographer. I'm not a commercial photographer.
No, of course not.
So same thing with you. When people see your wall, they want to know more about you. They want to, so now, tell me another thing. I'm just asking you, and I'm making a very casual thing. Did any of the Bollywood actors that you have showcased, did they ever approach you or did they ever thank you?
हाँ सर, मेरे को एक बार प्राण साहब के बेटे का फोन आया था.
अच्छा, सिकंद का,
हाँ हाँ
प्राण सिकंद के बेटे का, सुनील सिकंद.
हाँ. So he really appreciated what you are doing is really amazing. And I get lots of messages also.
Very good.
People
Very
know that there is a guy who is painting Bollywood around the city.
Very good, excellent.
So that people know, I think.
Now I'll tell you another thing here. You have all these youngsters working with you.
Yes, yes.
Do they have a goal?
No sir, it's very random. These people want to work with me,
So they can learn something.
Yeah, they
Yeah.
approach me like, we really like your work and we want to work with you. So I just check their work, but more their attitude is very important.
No, but they are very passionate. I've seen your,
yes.
I've seen your staff.
Yeah.
I mean your staff नहीं बोलूँगा मैं, teammates आपके जो हैं,
teammates.
youngsters हैं, बड़े मतलब बहुत उनका, they are really.
Yeah, we
yeah.
work very
Another, what other thing you would like to tell, which I have not I have not posed the question as yet. There are so many things. I'm not an artist, as you know very well. I'm just a photographer and a fashion designer.
Other thing I really want to tell ki dekhiye, I mean this
Yeah.
street art in India is very like
Limited.
it's a small baby.
Yeah.
So and we have, I mean ऐसा नहीं कि मैं अकेले कोई जो भी whoever is new artists are coming up, they should also have some kind of responsibility rather than making things bad like vandalism करना है ऐसा करना. So they can also make things beautiful.
Yeah.
Rather than just like बिगाड़ो this, So I just want to like to build this the whole street art mission in India.
On a platform.
And a good platform, a good
Okay.
spirit is very important.
But I tell you, this lane,
Yes.
Chapel Road, it is a Gautan. It is a East Indian village, fishing village.
Yes.
Baroda Road, Chapel Road, Bazaar Road.
Yeah.
But I tell you, among all the roads, you have enhanced the artistic beauty of Chapel Road. I mean, I know people, mind you, who come and say, यार वो रास्ता किधर है? मतलब कौन सा रास्ता भाई? बोले नहीं जहाँ वो सब आर्टिस्ट ने काम किया. So this is the thing that is drawing people. And I tell you another thing. As colors play a very important role in life, I was told, I was a young man at that time. I feel the colors that you have used
Yes, sir.
and the colors that tell your story, they also holistically heal people. I feel, I don't know, I may be wrong.
Of course, sir.
That certain colors, from within, they soothe the soul.
Yes.
And we Indians are born restless. Basically, we Indians are not, we are always trying to find something, and you have given a good dimension to your art.
Sir, I mean, I think we all Indian, I think इस दुनिया में सब लोग हैं वो जिज्ञासु तो होना बहुत जरूरी है. Restless is very important.
Yeah.
I mean, if you are not restless, then you are just.
मैंने आपसे ये कहूँगा कि आप मेघालय शिलोंग में जाके आपने मिथुन का किया जो भी किया, लेकिन दैट ऑल्सो what the people of the northeast towards your art, towards because I've been to Assam and I've been to Meghalaya also.
हाँ sir, I mean,
So-
I think वो Bollywood connect everything. Bollywood connect with
Everybody.
in this country. So I think I mean that's why I just go wherever I go. I just like try to give them the nostalgia of Bollywood.
Yeah, very good. You have done
Bollywood.
you have done an excellent job, and I'll tell you another thing. I'm in Bollywood for last 40 years, and I have also styled the costumes of sea wolves. It's Roger Moore and all. That is, I was in Burlington's Taj, and then I'm in Bandra, and I worked with Bada Saab, and then I worked with Mr. Nitin Manmohan. So I'm just telling you that I've been connected to Bollywood for 40 years. But I never saw anybody promote Bollywood the way you have promoted. And without any ulterior motive, mind you.
Sir, I mean, I'm just like, I'm not promoting Bollywood. I mean, I'm nobody to promote Bollywood. I'm just like
You are inspiring others to see Bollywood through your painting.
हाँ सर, मेरा मेन मुद्दा था कि बॉलीवुड सिटी है ये, इसमें you can't see Bollywood anywhere. So I'm just like making Bollywood in the street. Whoever comes with the love of Bollywood, they can just come and see these and, they can be happy.
I think, I tell you another thing. I think Mr. Aditya Thackeray, his father and I share the same, his father and I share the same coach of photography, late Professor B.W. Jatkar, who was from JJ.
Okay. Come, थोड़ा अंदर आ जाओ. Hello.
Who was from JJ School of Arts. So I think Mr. Aditya Thackeray should promote this. He's a guardian minister, I believe. But this art, if it is done in other lanes also, not just Bandra. Bandra is, as it is, the queen of the suburbs,
Yes.
But what I feel that you should be given an opportunity to work with them and promote art and fulfill this passion of yours. You're a young man,
Yes, sir. I mean, I think there are other people also who.
No, I know. What I'm saying.
And I think it should be a collective initiative.
Yeah. To bring all the wall artists together on a single platform.
To
And you all, yeah,
special.
there should be an exhibition
Yes, I mean, there are
for
lots of
society, like coronavirus,
Yeah,
you know, the pandemic,
yeah.
the cyclone, all those things which are topical. So, sir, I thank you very much for your kind interviews. I know you don't give interview to people like. नहीं नहीं मजाक कर रहा हूँ मैं बोला I know you don't give interviews as such. You are a very private person. As I've known, you don't even hunt for publicity. You don't need it. You have so much of publicity. And there's one person who loves you a lot. And now he's at Virar. He's your coach, Surendra Pawar, who is my coach also.
Yes.
He loves you a lot. He keeps every
I
day.
also love him. He's a
He
nice-
keeps asking me every day, रंजीत कैसा है, रंजीत कैसा
Of
है.
course, sir. वो-
तो मैं बोलता हूँ रंजीत तो कल से अच्छा है.
हाँ, हाँ.
Thank you, sir. God bless you.
Thank you, thank you.
क्या बहुत अच्छा डिजाइनर मास्क पहना है आपने. ये कैल्विन क्लाइन है, मालूम है आपको. और रंजीते क्या बोल रहे हो? इधर आइए, इधर आइए. ये देखिए कैल्विन क्लाइन का मास्क पहना है. कैल्विन क्लाइन.
हाँ, किसी का.
अभी हो गया पूरा.
ये बात ये इसको चालू है सर काम.
अच्छा.
आज टेस्ट हो जाएगा इसका.
हाँ.
And then we'll start the
फिनिशिंग टचेस.
finishing stage. And इसके बाल कर दे ब्लैक सारे. हाँ.
I thought you were going to put masks on them.
No, mask to normal रहा.
अच्छा.
अरे चाय ले जाओ सर के लिए. चाय.
आप दोनों को मैंने फेमस बहुत किया है, इतना याद रखिएगा. हेलो, आई मेड बोथ ऑफ यू ऑल वेरी फेमस. और सर क्या बोल रहे हो आप? एवरीथिंग इज.
हाँ.
हाउ लॉन्ग यू एक्सपेक्ट नाउ?
मैं संडे विल बी फिनिश. दिस संडे.
हाउ यू
Thursday, right? Friday, Saturday.
आर यू सेटिस्फाइड?
I'm very satisfied.
Is that I mean, has it fulfilled your
Yes, it has
your
fulfilled
thirst
my-
for creativity?
Yes, the expectation what I was want from this world. Yes, because I eagerly want to paint Helen, and that was my dream from last 6-7 years. I want to paint Helen.
You're a great dreamer, yaar.
So this time I got a
But I
chance.
tell you, Mr. Ranjit Daya,
Yes, sir.
somewhere very far, I don't know where, maybe in America, there is somebody dreaming about you.
About me.
Yeah, I don't know whether it is Ansbro or Politsbro or where. So these are the amazing team workers of my friend Ranjit Daya. Yes,
And her name is Anne
and
Matos.
huh?
Anne Matos.
And Matthews.
Matos.
He's Matthews.
Matos. Anne Matos and Harshad Mumbaikar.
Harshad Mumbaikar. Very
Yes.
good.
So he's very skilled guy.
Yeah, he's very. You told me he's from JJ School of
Yeah,
Art.
he's from the School of Art. And कैसे बाल भाई? And he's an amazing person.
Excuse me,
Amazing
madam. Oh, क्या उसको बोला?
And
How do you feel working on this? How do you feel working on this? आणि मुंबईकर तुमचा दृष्टिकोन काय आहे? तुमचा दृष्टिकोन काय आहे? नाही मराठीमध्ये सांग ना, मला मराठीमध्ये सांग ना. बरं तुम्हाला तुमची म्हणजे तुम्ही सॅटिस्फाईड आहे? ओके.
वायर एकदम फटाफट चलते हैं, बहुत फास्ट प्लान.
हाँ ये वाला 2 दिन में कर दिया ना.
बहुत फास्ट प्लान.
The great artist from JJ School of Arts, the great Maibap, owner of National Bakery and the owner of Chapel Road. रंजीत भाई कुछ बोल रही हो? ये शुभम
हेलो.
ठीक से बोल रहे हैं यार. हेलो क्या हरिद्वार के रेलवे स्टेशन पे है क्या? द ग्रेट रंजीत धैया.
अरे ग्रेट कहा गया रणजीत भैया बोलता ग्रेट आर्टिस्ट कुछ बड़ा मत करो, हम लंडे खा के मानेंगे.
Come here, come here, come here. How you feel after doing all this? How you feel?
Amazing.
Feeling great?
Yes,
Chalo, I'm happy for you. You have got a good teacher.
that is for sure.
ईद मुबारक. ले जाओ यार, उनको ले जाओ. सुबह मेरा भी लगा ऐसा. So this was the art of Mr. Ranjit Dharia, the new mural. I have been documenting it for quite some time now. And Ranjit is a great friend of mine. We are both tennis players. He is a better tennis player than me. And the person taking the video now, this portion is Shubham Dharia, Bollywood's young kid. Thank you all for seeing this beautiful mural
क्या हो गया? क्या बोलते मेरा भाई? How are you?